Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day? Is it a good idea to incorporate this into your daily routine? Well, let's find out. Before we dive into the benefits of doing 100 push-ups a day, let's first understand what a push-up is. A push-up is a compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It's a great exercise for strengthening the upper body and improving overall fitness. Now let's discuss the benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day. One of the most significant benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day is that it builds strength and muscle. Push-ups are an effective way to work out multiple muscle groups at once, which helps build overall strength in the upper body. Doing push-ups regularly can also increase muscle mass, making your muscles look more defined and toned. Another benefit of doing 100 push-ups every day is that it helps improve posture. Push-ups work the muscles in the chest and back, which are essential for maintaining good posture. By strengthening these muscles, you can improve your posture and reduce the risk of developing back pain. Push-ups are also an excellent cardiovascular exercise. Doing 100 push-ups every day can help improve cardiovascular health by increasing your heart rate and breathing rate. This in turn helps improve lung capacity and overall cardiovascular health. One of the most significant benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day is that it helps burn calories and promotes weight loss. Push-ups are a full-body exercise that works multiple muscle groups, which can help burn calories more efficiently than other exercises. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can help you burn more calories and lose weight over time. However, it's important to note that doing 100 push-ups every day is not suitable for everyone. For example, if you're new to the exercise, it's recommended that you start slowly and gradually increase the number of push-ups you do. It's also important to maintain proper form while doing push-ups to avoid injury. Another potential downside of doing 100 push-ups every day is that it can lead to overuse injuries. Doing the same exercise repeatedly puts stress on the same muscles and joints, which can lead to overuse injuries such as tendinitis or strain. It's important to vary your exercises to avoid putting too much stress on the same muscles and joints repeatedly. It can also cause muscle imbalances. Push-ups primarily work the chest, shoulders, and tricep muscles, which can cause these muscles to become overdeveloped while neglecting other muscle groups. Over time, this can cause muscle imbalances and can lead to poor posture, pain, and injury. Doing 100 push-ups every day can also cause fatigue and burnout. If you're not used to doing 100 push-ups every day, it can quickly become overwhelming and lead to fatigue and burnout. It's important to listen to your body and give it adequate rest and recovery. Lastly, like I mentioned earlier, doing 100 push-ups every day may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with pre-existing health conditions. It's always recommended to consult a doctor or fitness professional before starting any new exercise routine. In the end, doing 100 push-ups every day can provide numerous benefits, including building strength and muscle, improving posture, enhancing cardiovascular health, and promoting weight loss. However, it's important to remember that push-ups must and should be performed with proper form and gradual increase over time. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this informative enough for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.